Welcome to The Interest. I'm Ryan Kingsley. It's Monday, so that means our own Bill Bodnar is giving you his insight into what we could expect this week financially, exclusively on Master the Markets. After that, we bring you Cage Match with our own Vincent Valvo and Andrew Berman. Will Vince continue his undefeated streak, or will Andrew take home an upset? But first, are you looking to close deals in the Sunshine State? Well, a storm is brewing, but it's not the weather causing chaos. Home buyers, investors, and mortgage loan originators are facing a surge in costs that threatens to put the dream of owning a Florida home out of reach.
In the details of what they actually cover now, it's probably about a 10 to 25% decrease in coverage. However, the insurance premiums have skyrocketed an extra 30%.
Skyrocketing insurance premiums, rising interest rates, and escalating home prices are putting a squeeze on potential buyers.
Unfortunately, lost a couple of deals yesterday because of the insurance.
Insolvencies, a 33% climb in homeowners insurance rates, and the departure of major carriers from the state. These are all factors contributing to an ailing industry.
Not only does it affect people's budget, what they want to spend, but it's also affecting debt-to-income ratios for qualifying, not only on the primary purchase of their home, but also for investors looking to buy investment properties.
So how do you get from pre-approval to close when insurance costs are pricing some homeowners out of the market?
And that's why I always recommend for my clients to get insurance quotes prior to going all the way.
To read more about how to help your borrowers in states with high insurance costs, check out Florida Originator Magazine. Reporting for The Interest, I'm Ryan Kingsley.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology, so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error, and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent, such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to our Master of the Market segment. So what a week last week was, huh? Interest rates dropping dramatically to, levels we haven't seen in over a month. And why? Well, a bunch of things. Number one, the Fed, they came out, didn't do anything, of course, and they talked about tighter financial conditions, which, that means higher interest rates are tightening the economy and doing the job of the Fed. So that was good. And there was a bunch of other great news, from inflation abroad to some numbers here that were not so good. But the other thing that's happening is there are a lot of hedge funds and a lot of big institutional players betting on higher rates. And so when rates started to decline, they were forced to actually go in and buy bonds. And that's what made the sharp move in interest rates sharp. And so, now this week, there's not a lot of news that we have to watch. Economic calendar is kind of thin, but there will be a bunch of auctions. The short sellers are going to be out there that we have to watch very, very carefully. And of course, the Treasury Department has to unload a lot of bonds. And we have to watch those real closely. Why? Well, because interest rates have come down. Will the Treasury Department be forced to provide a little extra yield to sell those bonds and sell that supply? That's something we have to find out. Listen, I hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Okay, so Vince, will blockchain revolutionize mortgage and real estate?
Revolutionize it?
Yeah.
No, I don't think it can.
You don't think it can? You don't think it has the potential to?
Oh, no, maybe long term. It should.
Yeah, like
it should be able
10 years. 10 years.
No, that's not. It's already been around for at least 10 years. Listen. You talk about revolutionizing something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to put this into perspective. If you saw a 10-year-old, right, running around basically still in diapers, would you think, boy, that's the kid that's going to revolutionize the world? You would not think that. And that's what we got with blockchain. We got a technology that's sitting here that's been around for several years here. Everybody was saying, this is it. This is what's going to revolutionize stuff. And it's not doing it. Adoption is slow.
Okay,
it's expensive.
So let me ask you a
people don't
question.
understand it.
So, Vince,
Let's put this. Hold on. I'm going to even put this in a better perspective for you. You know what? Listen, last December, less than a year ago, all of a sudden the world heard about ChatGPT. That is a revolutionary technology. That is because what we have all done with that in just this last year has been absolutely amazing. And blockchain is still like the kid playing with blocks. It ain't revolutionizing anything.
okay, and so amazing point. Thank you. AI, generative AI, has been around long before we heard about it in late 2022. It has been out there. This technology is just ChatGPT or OpenAI was the first one to kind of go out there and make it available to the common folk.
Right.
So here actually you've made a great point actually of it takes someone to be able to push this forward.
Right.
Now, let me ask you this.
Can blockchain be useful? Of course it can.
Okay.
The notion of it of having this uninterrupted string for title, for financial transactions, credit, everything.
Reports,
is amazing.
Servicing
It's
transactions.
Absolutely.
All of these things.
Should it be? But we're talking about possibility versus practicality. And the possibilities are fantastic. It should be a great product, but it's not. It's not getting adopted. It's not getting used. You keep saying it's going to. You know what? I use this.
Going to.
I do the same thing.
So you are agreeing.
Towns aren't bringing the practice. Towns aren't bringing it in.
But those people are dying.
Government. Yeah, well,
the little actually court records that's above
listen,
a
the
butcher,
longer you talk about a technology is something we should be using but never do use it, the longer it is, the next iteration of people who come along are going to go, oh, blockchain, isn't that old technology? Because I want to tell you something. You know what? Listen, how about we bring back Betamaxes? Those would be great too. They were great technology in their time. They're not. Their time has gone by. We don't need them anymore.
Progress
blockchain
a better technology.
Is something that dweebs talk about, but aren't actually being used as they should be.
In the way actually records are kept.
We're out of time for this conversation.
Yeah, we shouldn't be out of time yet. No, I got more time.
Is out of time.
No, I got to wait. No.
That's the point.
You are wrong. You were wrong in this. No. Wait, hold on for a second. No.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.